Hey you guys, my name is Chris and today I'll be showing you one of the most difficult card tricks known to mankind. Before I begin, I need a deck of cards. First, let me give a demonstration of the trick. The 3 cards on the top of the deck are arranged into a fan as shown and are labeled 1, 2, and 3. The spectator is asked to choose one of the cards and say its number out loud. Let's say they chose number 2, the Ace of Diamonds. Now I will put the cards back in the deck and remove 2 cards from the top. Let's take a look at the new top card. Wow, it was the Ace of Diamonds, the card that was chosen. How was it not one of the 2 cards that were removed? I will now explain how to perform this mind-boggling card trick. As you can see, I have the fan of 3 cards set up again. But wait, what's that behind them? Another card. The extra card being there means that number 2, the Ace of Diamonds, is actually the 3rd card from the top, not the 2nd. As a result, the card we want will not be moved to the bottom of the deck, leaving us with the desired ace on top. This trick can be performed with any amount of cards. You can use 4 cards, 5 cards, 6 cards, 7 cards, 7 cards, 8 cards, 9 cards, or even the entire deck if you wish. Thanks for watching and see you guys next time.